Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to screen record your Mac. Super easy and quick. First, go to the top right of your Mac and click the magnifying glass to open Spotlight Search. Now type QuickTime Player and open it. If a window pops up, just press Cancel. Then go to the dock at the bottom, find QuickTime, right-click with 2 fingers, and choose New Screen Recording. Now you'll see a small toolbar appear. On the left, there are screenshot options. On the right, you'll see screen recording options. Either record the entire screen or just a part of it. Pick what you want, then click Options to choose things like where to save the video or what microphone to use. When you're ready, hit record. Your Mac is now recording everything you do. To stop, go to the top right and click the stop button. It looks like a circle with a square. Your recording will open right away. You can watch it, save it, or export it. To save it, just go to File, Export. Choose the quality like 1080p, name your file, pick where to save it, like your desktop, and click Save. And that's it. You've now recorded your Mac screen. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.